Alright guys, Brew here with South Coast Fabrication and Outdoors. I'm going to do a quick little video. I just got this Lock-N-Lube grease coupler from Amazon. I'm going to do a quick video of putting it on my grease gun and then I'm going to try it out. Got a couple fittings to grease up on my brother's lawnmower that he's been letting me borrow. So we'll get this old fitting pulled off and put the new coupler on, and we will put a new tube of grease in the grease gun and get this lawnmower lubed up. Whoop. The old one's off. New Lock-N-Lube, spring loaded. Locking mechanism on it. That should make things a little bit easier. Even comes with a little rebuild kit, little parts kit. But it seems pretty robust. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it out or not. We'll see. Probably work better if I was using actual wrenches and not these adjustable wrenches. That in there like that. Make another round or so. Get so slick and slippery. Get rid of this old stuff. I got a fresh tube. What is this? Lucas Oil extra heavy duty grease. Never really used it before, but should be pretty decent. Heavy duty for like tractors, equipment, stuff like that. Should be good all around grease. Drop that down in the tube. Pop top side up. Pop the top. That's screwed on there. Nice and snug. And we'll release our spring-loaded plunger. Push that in, and then we'll get it primed. Lucas oil grease coming out. You get the front spindles on this lawnmower all lubed up. Alright, so let's see how this Lock-N-Lube works, see if I can get it in there. Seems to be working pretty good. It's a weird angle getting in on this fitting. Not bad. A little bit left on the end of the nozzle and on the fitting, but I mean, that's to be expected. It looks like we got grease coming out of both sides, so we'll go over to the other wheel and do that one. Alright, let's try this one. Got it locked on there. And just pump grease in until we see it coming out of the sides of the wheels, which it is. And pop it off. Wipe that excess off. Wipe the excess off that fitting. We're good to go. So, Lock-N-Lube grease coupler. So far I like it. It's a good concept. It's not too bulky, so still get into some pretty tight places. I've always hated greasing all my axle bearings and suspension bearings and stuff like that, just because these fittings you had to hold the fitting with one hand and pump with the other hand, and it was usually end up having to pump the grease gun with both hands, and the fitting would pop off. You'd get grease everywhere. So having this locking coupler on the grease gun seems to be pretty awesome. I think I got it on Amazon for like 29 bucks or something like that, and I think it's well worth it. I actually found out about this product from another YouTube channel that I subscribe to. It's called Outdoor with the Morgans, or Outdoors with the Morgans, one of the two. He's got a cool channel over there, Mike Morgan. He's always doing tractor videos and land maintenance and stuff like that, and I really learn a lot from watching his channel. So y'all go check out his channel. If y'all like this little review video, comment on it, give us a like if you want it mine, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Have a good one.